Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. So many of you asked me what's my favorite side dish to go with beef brisket or any kind of barbecue chicken, and this is it, my favorite potato salad, my way. Let me show you how to make it and let's get started. I'm gonna start with 800 grams of russet potatoes. This amount is enough for 4 people. I scrub it very well. I keep the skin on, boil until fork tender. I don't add any salt or anything to the boiling water. When it's fork tender, I drain and I set aside, and I'm gonna chop some veggies. I have a quarter red onion. I chop finely. I'm gonna chop 3 to 4 stalks of celery, also very finely. I usually make this salad as a side dish with my oven-baked brisket. You've been loving this recipe. I'll leave the link in the description box below. You're gonna add some freshly chopped chives and you're gonna add some capers. I'll be leaving all the exact amounts in the description box below as well. I'm gonna add about half a tablespoon of capers, half a tablespoon of whole grain mustard, half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And I really love this potato salad because it's tangy, crunchy, creamy, and light at the same time. It's not a very heavy potato salad. Try it and you'll see what I mean. You're gonna add 3 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise and your favorite cucumber pickles, 2 of them, chopped finely. All I have to do now is season with a little bit of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. You can actually add a touch of paprika or you can leave it out. I'm gonna use the potato masher to mix in all the ingredients and smash the potatoes, but not too much. This is where I'm gonna stop and switch to a spoon and mix in all the ingredients. And have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you haven't yet, please do so and follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. It's a great make-ahead side dish and it keeps in the fridge very well. I just love this salad. I think it's refreshing and crunchy and tasty at the same time without being so heavy. I hope you give it a try soon. And until next time, bon appétit!